So, you're tired of doing this after every little dust cleanup job. I was too. But after I got the dust cyclone, everything changed. Let me show you the difference that I've found between these two types. Some of you that follow my Instagram probably know that I've been running the Dust Deputy for quite a while now, and it's made a huge difference in dust collection. It's been great. I was needing another setup in my shop, so I figured I would give the Home Depot one a try. It's a little lower profile, and I don't have a whole lot of room in here, so I thought that'd be a good thing. But there are a few differences. I was going to go ahead and go through them and show you what I found between the two. So first of all, I collect dust from this sander, this sanding box, that table saw, chop saw, and my CNC machine. Now, I've run about 10 gallons worth of dust through both of these setups, and I'm going to show you what the filters look like. Here we've got the Dust Deputy. And we have kind of a statically charged dust filter there. And inside the bucket is still fairly clean. You can see just kind of some dust residue. Now, over here on the Home Depot job, we'll take a look at the filter. Look at that. You get a pretty fine coating of dust in there. So it is not filtering the finer stuff as well. Take a look inside. There again, you kind of have the same fine dust. It's just caked the whole inside of there, so it's not filtering that really fine stuff as well. So that's the main thing. As you can see though, it is still collecting a lot of the dust, so it's not getting through to the filter. So the longevity of cleaning out your vacuum is still increased by quite a bit. The underside of this has got some kind of honeycomb design trying to trap the dust before going back in. I do like how easy it is to get the lid off and on to dump the bucket on this one. I like the lower profile. It comes with this elbow. It's kind of a nice, neat package. You don't have to do anything other than slap this onto a bucket because it is the lid. Versus the Dust Deputy, you actually have to bolt it to an existing lid and use silicone and all that to do it. So on this lid here, we've got all this. I think there's a little less static on the Home Depot one. I'm not sure why that is, but that is the case. So you got all this rigmarole. See how that's static? Like jumping sawdust beans. So yeah, you gotta cut your own hole, of course, and find your own bolts and silicone that to a lid. And I've dumped 2 of these buckets twice, and this is going on my 3rd bucket here since cleaning the filters on both vacuums. The Home Depot one was a completely new vacuum and filter, so it started off super clean, whereas this one is
my setup I've had a while, so I've just been cleaning the filter on it. So this one's still good to go, but the Home Depot one, we're going to have to go clean the filter again. I do recommend finding a clear bucket to start off with, because once this gets to the top, it goes straight through and starts filling up the vacuum and the filter, and then you got to clean it. But as long as you dump this bucket before it fills up to the top, you can go a long time. I really don't know how long, because I usually accidentally forget to dump it and have to clean the filter then. But so far, as long as I don't forget to dump the bucket, I don't have to clean the filter. The other thing I've noticed is the noise difference. I'll show you the Dust Deputy. Here we go. No hose. I don't know if you can tell the difference or not in the video. And the Home Depot one. So we've got, it kind of makes a whistle. Let's see if you can hear it. Hey, we gotta plug this in first. Alright, now let's try it. So yeah, quite a bit louder. So anyway, those are the differences I've noticed. Go ahead and comment down below if you have tried these one or both of them out, and let us know what you think. Thank you all for watching, and it would be great if you would thumbs up on this video if it helped you out, and go on and check out the channel. Appreciate it.